Hi guys, I'm back again. Okay, so this is the second part of today's morning message video. Please make sure you watch the first one for all the other instructions on your assignments today. Okay, for your math, I wanted to do this in a different video because I didn't have enough time in the first one. You're going to be doing page 23 and you're regrouping tens into ones today, okay? Why might we need to ever do that? Okay, so let's look at problem number 1, okay? We are going to regroup a 10 and make more ones from it and look at problem number 1. And this is an example, a perfect example of why we need to do that. Okay, so here we have 875 and we're going to minus 646 from it. If you look at the ones place, you're going to be doing 5 minus 6. Is that possible? Can you take 6 away from 5? You can't do that. And so you need to rewrite 875 in a slightly different way. Okay, so let's show that. Okay, so I'm going to draw 800. It's a lot of hundreds. Let's see if I can make it all fit. I might do 2 rows. Okay, so I drew 800. I have to draw 7 tens. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to draw is my 5 ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, since I'm subtracting today, I'm not drawing more. I'm not drawing 646. I'm crossing out 646 from this number. Okay. Now, if you look at our first step is to subtract in the ones place. Okay. It says here I have to take away 6 ones, but I only have 5. So that seems a bit impossible right now. Okay, right now it is, but I just have to rewrite my numbers a little differently. Okay, so this is when I'm going to regroup tens to ones by taking a 10 and in its place, exchanging it for 10 ones. Okay, I'm going to just draw a little bracket around my even exchange. Okay, so I took away 1 10. And in its place, I put 10 ones, okay? So let's see if I still have the same number. I should still have 875, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Wait, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So I still have 875. My number hasn't changed. I just wrote it differently. Instead of writing 807 tens and 5 ones, I changed my number to still 800s, but now there's only 6 tens, and that's because instead of just 5 ones, I now have 15 ones, okay? So 875 is written as 806 tens and 15 ones. And the reason for that is because I need it to be convenient to subtract 6, okay? So now, let me see if I can change my color pen, okay, because right now I'm going to be subtracting, okay? I haven't subtracted anything yet. I just rewrote 875 differently, okay? So now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 6 ones from 15. So here's my 15 ones. I'm going to cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so 15 minus 6 ones equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let me write that answer in for that part. So in my ones place, I now have 9. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract the next place value. Okay, so I'm going to subtract, I'm going to do 6 minus 4 because I have 6 tens. This one doesn't count. It's no longer there. So I have 6 tens, and I'm going to minus 4 tens. Okay, I'm going to use my green. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 6 tens minus 4 tens equals, my picture shows me, 2 tens left over. Okay, and then the last part, I'm going to do 8 minus 6. I'm going to take away 6 hundreds from 800s. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after I did that, I have 200s left remaining. Okay. And so that is my answer, 229. Okay, here's another problem. Okay, we have 478 minus 226. Okay, do you think we need to regroup for this one? Let's see. I'm going to do 8 minus 6. Can we do that? Can we do 8 ones and take away 6 ones? Yeah, we can. So we don't need to regroup there. Okay, I have 7 tens and I'm going to minus 2 tens. Can I do that without regrouping? Yep, because 7 tens minus 2 tens is 5 tens. Okay, and here I have 400s and I need to minus 200s. Okay, 400s take away 200s is 200s. Okay, so this was an example of a problem that did not need regrouping. Okay, and then the last problem, number 3, is the last one I'm going to show as an example. Do you think, okay, just take a look real quick at this number, 692 minus 437. Do you think this one needs to regroup? Why? Look at the ones place. I have 2 ones and I need a minus 7. Is that possible? It's not. And so, let me draw it out to help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, and 2 ones. Okay, so I'm going to be minusing 437. That means I'm going to cross out 437 within this number. But that's hard to do when I only have 2 ones. And it says I'm supposed to minus 7, okay? And so this is where our regrouping has to take place. Let's change that 10 and exchange it for 10 ones, okay? My number is still 692. We must know that, okay? My number is 680 and 12 ones, which is 692, just written differently. Okay, so now I'm going to be subtracting. Okay, well, I used the wrong color, but now I can subtract. I can subtract just fine now. I can take away 7 ones and find the answer. I can take away 3 tens from my 8 tens, find the answer, and I can cross out 400s from 600s and find my answer. All right, boys and girls, so please do that. You know, it might be easier for you to draw your base 10 picture out to do a check, okay, before you take a picture and submit your assignment. All right, guys, thank you for listening. Bye.